It's one thing to desire wealth. It's another thing to achieve it. It's one thing to work for money. It's another thing to make money work for you. To take your finances to the next level, you need someone to show you the ropes. At United Capital PLC, we provide you with the support you need to achieve your financial goals. Whether it's capital raising, trustee services, stock trading, mutual funds, or loans, our seasoned financial advisors are available to help you make the best investment decisions. For more information on our services, go to www.unitedcapitalplcgroup.com or visit us at any of our offices in Lagos, Abuja, Port Harcourt, Kano, Kaduna, Warri, Onitsha, Ibadan, and Ghana. United Capital PLC, the intelligent choice.
Please don't stop the music.
Smooth music.
Don't stop the music.
Money Minute with United Capital PLC on Smooth 98.1.
We're not stopping our investments anywhere else in Nigeria.
United Capital PLC, the intelligent choice.
Hello and welcome to the brand new show, Money Minute with United Capital PLC. Now, this show is dedicated to helping you manage your personal finance as well as make informed financial decisions and ultimately help you navigate your way to financial freedom. We have a special guest joining us for the show today. His name is Damilare Mesimo, but it's okay if I call him Damilare Mesimo. He's used to it. He's the head of digital business at United Capital PLC, and today we're talking about InvestNow, a simple way to invest. Welcome.
Thank you.
Hey, Damilare. Good to have you in the studio.
Hi, Heidi. Thank you for having me.
Now, if you're out there and you want to be a part of our show, please reach out to us on our WhatsApp platform, 0809-444-0981. All right. So, well, now that we have you here, let's just dive right into it. For the benefit of those joining the show for the first time, we'd like you to give us a brief summary about United Capital. Who are you guys? What do you do? And tell us about you.
Okay, United Capital PLC is a foremost financial services group in Nigeria and Africa. The core of our business is investment banking. We also have interest in consumer finance, in trusteeship, asset management, securities trading, and wealth management. And let me mention that, like I said, we're in Nigeria and Africa. So
international.
Nice.
All right. So over the course of this show, we've had several guests who've come from United Capital, of course, make reference to the InvestNow app, and I've consistently heard them tell listeners to download the app, that it's a way that they can actually start their investment journey. So I want to ask, Dami, what exactly is InvestNow and why is it so important?
Okay, good question, because InvestNow is something I call it my baby. I love InvestNow. InvestNow is our digital platform in United Capital PLC.
Okay.
And our customers, both existing and new customers, come on InvestNow to either open the account, invest in different portfolios. It's just that one-stop shop for you to do anything investment. So let me just put it in context this way. When you hear investment bank, when you hear investment, prior to now, what you think is HNIs, big boys, 1 billion, 100 million.
Right.
And so that's the mindset everybody has had. And so we thought about that, guys. People just see us as we service just HNI. So what should we do? How do we get this market? And so first thing for us to do was look at the markets, look at what people want, and then say, okay, let's go ahead and build a platform that welcomes everybody, both the big boys, the upcoming boys, the guys who are still there and everything. And InvestNow was birthed. So InvestNow takes care of everybody. You can come on the platform as long as you want to invest 1,000 naira.
So from a regular person to the HNI,
exactly,
everyone's welcome to be a part of that.
Exactly.
Awesome. Thank you so much for that, Damilare. But from what you've said so far, I'm curious, what products are available on this platform? Okay,
InvestNow is that financial service supermarket. When you go into a supermarket, you have kids stand, food, this, that, that's the same thing. So you come on our platform, you're able to, invest in mutual funds, be it money market fund, balance fund. You could also say, you know what, I want to trade in stocks. I want to buy shares on the platform too. You could say, I want to save for school, educational trust. Come there and invest in that also. Or you could say, I want to take a loan.
Okay.
So come on the platform and also take a loan. So that's why I always call it that financial service supermarket. Come there, pick what you want, be happy, and watch your money grow.
Awesome.
I want to ask Damilare, what is U-Trace?
Okay, U-Trace is I want to put it in a way that listeners would get it. I want to really break it down. So I'll use a good example. So during NYSC, for example, somebody came to you to say, buy shares in XYZ. You're like, okay, let me try. And you drop 10,000 naira. You bought 20 years after. You've forgotten that you bought something. U-Trace is that guy that tells you that, come, you bought something here. This is what you bought. This is the stockbroker that bought it for you. This is your account number. In one word, you can trace any missing stock or anything, any stock you've forgotten about. So just go on InvestNow, click on U-Trace, put in your details, and we'll tell you, okay, this is what you bought, how many units, how much you bought it, and what the current worth is right now.
So the amazing thing is, this scenario you gave is literally what happened to me. NYSC, I invested in shares, I had no clue what I was doing, and those things are missing somewhere.
So come on, invest now. We'll get it out for you.
Okay, all right.
Awesome. Okay, so as we all know already, it sounds like a very rich platform. Lots of resources on there, and I'm sure that listeners would want to dive right in and just look into the various platforms. But what makes InvestNow so functional as an investment hub?
So I think it starts from the ability of the platform to welcome both existing and new customers.
Okay.
And so let's look at it for new customers, for example. You come on the platform and you are a novice, you know nothing about investment. You're able to take a risk assessment and say, okay, I want to take a risk assessment. We'll give you some questions to determine if you're a low risk investor,
okay,
medium risk investor, or high risk investor. So whatever bucket you fall in is we give you products to say, okay, for low risk guys, focus on XYZ.
Okay.
So whatever product you select there takes care of you. So for onboarding customers, makes it very functional. The fact that you could also fund your investment account without calling somebody to say, oh, what bank account should I transfer to? It makes it very, very easy and convenient. So go on the platform, fund with your card or directly from your bank account. The fact that you can withdraw your money instantly and not say, oh my God, I want to withdraw my money. These guys, I need to call my account officer. Oh, Mr. Chike, you don't have to do that. So it makes it very
functional. You can do it all by yourself.
Yeah. And lastly, one thing I love about the platform is you can automate your investment. So if I say I'm paid on the 30th day of every month, I just set my investment to say every 30th day of every month, debit my account, credit my investment account. So you just leave your money and just watch your money grow. Yeah, that's how it works. So
awesome.
Those things that make it very functional and that app that you really want to have.
All right, so say a person downloads InvestNow and they're happy with it and they decide to refer other people to join the app. Are there any perks or benefits that they could possibly get?
So what we have today is refer somebody and get paid.
All right. When you say get paid, what are we looking at?
Refer somebody and get paid.
Okay, because you know that we work on radio, right? So one word.
We know a lot of people.
Refer somebody and get paid. Okay. Because if I tell you how much you get paid, you start referring the whole world right now.
All right, fair enough. By the way, if you just joined us, you want to send us messages, please send them to 0809-444-0981. Here's a message. This one in. Let me get to this message. It says here, is it possible to have multiple investment accounts on the InvestNow app?
The answer is yes. You could have a trust account, mutual fund account, trade stock. You could have multiple accounts. And the beauty of it is you have one dashboard that views. So you don't have to log out from mutual funds, log in. No. Just one dashboard viewing everything. So you see them in portfolios, you see them in. So you can definitely have that.
Okay. So I want to ask this though. We're speaking about InvestNow and the app, but what is that one thing that literally sets InvestNow apart from other apps perhaps or services that are available on the market?
Good. So when you say sets apart, it means that what I have that you don't have. And so I'll say today for a fact that what I have that you don't have, or others don't have, is U-Trace, which I was happy when you got excited about it, because it's something that others don't have.
Okay.
And I think when I joined the company too as a new staff and I heard about U-Trace, I was super excited because I knew I had bought shares for some companies some 10, 15
Are
years
you sure
ago.
I didn't meet you during my NYSC?
So I was so excited, and I just put in my details, and voila, I got a name of company, what my current, even though then it was buy 10,000, I buy 5,000, but my 10K had already grown to about 15-20K, and so I think that's one thing that stands out for the platform, for those who actually trade stocks. And apart from that, another thing that stands out for the platform is financial advisory.
Okay.
So you log into the platform, you know when to invest. If you're going to invest in different funds, you look at, okay, what's the rate today? How's it doing today? You see your portfolio grow. So for me, it's more than just saving money. For me, I look beyond. If I want to save money, I go to the bank. But for InvestNow, it's more about investment. So I see my portfolio grow. I know, okay, it's time to sell. When it comes to mutual funds, when it comes to trust products, I know, let me invest at this time. Okay, let me take out money at this time. Let me move from this place to this place. You play around the platform, and you play around with the mind that, I'm coming out smiling. Like I said, you only invest in products where okay, this is my risk appetite. Low risk, high risk, or mid risk. So that's what makes the platform, in quote, very cool.
Right. And earlier you said something about loans, but we didn't really get much into it. I'm sure there's some people that would want that information. How does this loan service work?
Okay, so on InvestNow, I like to use examples. I'll use you as a good example, ZB. So, for example, you know how the dollar is doing today, and everybody. Everybody is doing when I get my salary, I convert to dollars and you put in your account. And Coyote needs a project. So your guy comes to you that, please help out. And you're like, all my investments are in dollars, but you really want to help Coyote. So what we've done with the loan on InvestNow is to say, ZB can use a dollar account as, in quote, a collateral, so it's asset backed, and take a Naira loan for 30 days, 60 days, give Coyote, when she's done, return it back, dollar is still dollar.
Okay.
Right.
Because you don't want to sell your dollar, because, by the time you're buying back, this is gone up already. And if it is Naira too, the same thing. You know what, dude, I don't want to touch my Naira. I want to see my money grow. I don't want to touch my investment, but you know what, I'll get this money for you, or you can get it for yourself. So the loan part of it makes it very, very interesting that you can you can take any loan using your current investment as, in quotes, your collateral.
Awesome. Nice one. Okay, so I'm sure that a lot of people out there are wondering, how much would you require to open an InvestNow account?
10,000, and then you can have multiples of 1,000 Naira afterwards. Quickly, I had this customer then who every day was always crediting our account with 500 Naira. I'm serious.
That's smart, actually.
Every day.
That's so smart.
500 Naira. So you can start today with 10,000 Naira, and from tomorrow, set up a recurring funding to say every day, credit my account with 500 Naira, and watch your money in 30 days and see what you've done.
Amazing. Got more messages here. Let's head on down to our WhatsApp platform, 0809-444-0981. Here's another one. It says, how much of your investment value do you have access to within the loan?
90%.
90%.
90%. So let's look at, you have 1 million Naira. It means I can give you as high as 900,000 Naira.
Oh, wow.
Yep.
Oh, wow. What a wow.
Kaide is excited.
Maybe as high as 900,000 Naira.
Oh, man.
Wow.
Okay.
You guys can start today.
Zippy already downloaded the app.
What can I say? I'm trying to find my stocks and shares I bought.
That's what I'm here for. Before I leave today, I'll sort you out.
Yay! All right. So, if you've got any more questions, we've got just about 45 seconds. Send those messages in 0809 444 0981. And because we can't take all the messages, though, you can actually send some of your questions on Twitter, tagging at United Cap. That's the Twitter handle for United Capital at United Cap. And you can also use the hashtag Money Minute with UCap. The hashtag is Money Minute with UCap. Okay, we are out of time. Time goes by really quickly, doesn't it?
We had so much fun on this show. Thank you so much, Damilare. Good to have you here. We look forward to seeing you again real soon.
Very soon, hopefully.
And also, you're going to sort us out before you leave, yes?
Sorry?
You're going to sort us out before you leave.
Definitely. That's why I'm here.
And don't forget, you can actually follow United Capital on Facebook, Instagram, and also on YouTube at United Capital PLC. Don't forget, on Twitter at United Cap, the hashtag Money Minute with UCap.
Money Minute with United Capital PLC. United Capital PLC, the intelligent choice.
Love music. Love life.
Making money? That can be hard. Saving money? That can be harder. But investing your money? That should be a breeze. At United Capital PLC, ease and accessibility are our watchwords. Our investment solutions are tailor-made to help you grow your wealth. With our InvestNow platform, you can invest in Naira and dollar-denominated mutual funds, stocks, trusts, and even access loans, all from the comfort of your mobile phone. To get started, visit www.investnow.ng. Download the InvestNow app from Play Store or App Store. United Capital PLC, the intelligent choice.